Okay, this is the last part. All the vegetable is fully cooked already. We need to garnish. The main ingredient is the tofu. This is the tofu. Just put on the top as a garnish.
Ano itong ayos? Patong lang.
Huwag mong kakamayin. Huwag mong kakamayin. Put as a garnish. This tofu. Call this a mixed vegetable with tofu, a vegetarian dish. This is presented to you by Mr. John Osborne from the St. Andrew, third year high school student. Okay, this is the final presentation for the mixed vegetable with tofu.
Ang sarap.